Days all wind down, and we're faced with all of January, all of February, all of March into April and even May. We're looking for those beautiful soups and sandwiches, the kind of thing you look forward to coming home to at lunchtime, great having for dinner because everyone enjoys a hot piping bowl of soup, a wonderful grilled, crunchy, ooey gooey, cheesy sandwich. This is going to allow you to do all that and a whole lot more. It's from Temp-tations, a set of 2 lidded soup and sandwich sets. And in this pack up, you're getting 2 of these beautiful sandwich plates, 2 of our lidded soup bowls, each one holding 16 ounces of whatever soup you put inside. So 2 of these plates, 2 16-ounce bowls, and 2 lids, making this the perfect set. I don't want you to miss out on this. We've got loads of colors, and we also have plenty of patterns for you to choose from. The most important thing to remember here is that this is an item perfect for this time of year. Once the holidays wind down, maybe we're looking to eat a little smarter, a little more portion controlled. This is going to be the set you reach for time and time again. President, CEO of Temp-tations, and also designer is Tara Tesher. All those people are one person. And this is that lady. Tara Tesher is joining us to tell us more about it. Tara, welcome back. It's good to see you again.
Thank you, David. And we have our soup and sandwich, which I love. This is an item that I created the concept probably about 4 or 5 years ago. We bring them out this time of the year, and they're always super popular because when you don't want to take the dinnerware down, when you just want a quick snack or you just want to put a quick bite together, you actually can use these pieces together or you can use them separately. The plate itself is 12 inches by 7 inches. So technically, this becomes also a serving platter if maybe you're just doing some like crudité or you're putting together a quick little plate. And then, of course, as you mentioned, the only covered soup crock in our soup and sandwich collection currently is this one. And I love the beautiful silhouette, the helper handles, and of course, that beautiful lid. You're getting both. So you're getting 2 plates, 2 soup crocks. You can pick up as many sets as you want. And you're going to notice in Old World and Floral Lace, we have a lot of colors that we don't always carry. So very exciting story today.
Oh, my word. We've got some beautiful pieces for you. And I'm going to begin with woodland and white and tell you not to wait because this one is very, very popular. And I have only a couple hundred of these to go around. If you want the woodland in white, I've got it, but only for the next couple hundred people that dial in. And then all the woodland is becoming very popular. This is the slate blue. This is the gray. And this is the taupe, only a couple hundred in each color. And then we have for you, after that, we've got it for you in seasonal. And this is Winter Whimsy with all the cute characters. There's Gumdrop. Poinsettia. I know many of you collect poinsettia dinnerware. Bakers, only a couple hundred of those to go around. Then I have it for you in Harvest. And we're last call in Harvest. Then we jump into Old World, and we'll work our way back across the table. Here's black, eggplant, cranberry, red. Here is your taupe, then the gray, then the blue, the color that started it all, the green, and finally the confetti on the end. Now, drop just below the confetti and you'll find floral lace in the blue. Very popular and most popular today. Beside that is the gray, then the taupe floral lace, red. We'll catch up here. I think we're moving from the opposite direction. Here's the red. Okay, I know it looks a little orange on your TV, that's red. Here's cranberry, green, eggplant, and finally the black. Tara, these are perfect, and every piece here is stoneware, so we're talking oven safe to 500 degrees across the board, right?
Exactly. You're getting 6 pieces of stoneware from the lid to that beautiful soup crock to, of course, that plate. And here's what we love about it. The fact that this still goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. So I did a beautiful French onion soup, David, that I'm going to bring forward here. I did it, of course, in our gray woodland. And what I love about it is, again, everything you've come to love from Temp-tations. And I know you and I both love French onion soup. But take a peek over here. Look at how beautiful that is. I can come right out of the oven with that gorgeous ooey gooey French onion soup. And you can see there that I can pull it right away from the sides. So you see that that cheese is nice and caramelized. you see that that soup is beautifully heated and steaming. And what I love about it is that, again, you have that beautiful performance of the stoneware where the heat's hugging your food. So whether this was a chili, whether this was stew, whether this is a beautiful French onion soup, and then look at this gorgeous sandwich that I've paired with it. I love the fact that this was truly the whole design for it, being able to do a hot soup and a cold sandwich and put it all together on one great plate.
Now, Tara, as predicted, the white woodland has sold out.
I heard some clanging over there. I
Yeah,
wondered.
there had to be some movement, right? All right, so let me remind you what it is you're getting. You're getting 2 of these sandwich plates. 2 plates, 2 16-ounce soup bowls, and both are lidded. So you're getting everything you see here in this pack up. Really, really impressive. Don't miss out on this opportunity. And well over 2,000 have now been ordered. As you get into those, into the weeks after Christmas and all of that cold weather, you're going to be reaching for your comfort food: soups, stews, chilies, chicken and dumplings, all that goodness. Winter Whimsy has now sold out of our seasonal collection.
Cute.
There we are. Thank you, ma'am. And how are we on poinsettia? Fewer than 200, and harvest. Only 5 dozen in the harvest. These are our 2 seasonal. And Tara, what we know to be true about seasonal patterns, when they sell out, it can be almost a full year or preceding that season before we see them again, right?
You're absolutely right. And David, the big story here also is that we have colors that we don't always carry, from the cranberries and the eggplants and the greens. So again, when you're thinking about adding to your dinnerware collection, and I love the idea of layering this in with some of that, think about your chilies and your cornbreads. Think about those quick bites that we want to put together. We just want to throw something in the microwave. The poinsettia does have the cardinal on it. I know many of you are asking for that. So again, you have that, but also whether it's hot or it's cold. I love the fact that you can do ice cream sundaes in here. You can do a cute little cookie cake with it. Again, that plate is actually a serving platter as well, where you can do a whole charcuterie board on it. We did a little s'mores there. Look where we tucked in all the little, my fave. We tucked in all the graham crackers and all of that there. And then next to it, which you'll see peeking in there, is your tomato soup and your grilled cheese. I mean, I don't know about you. It's fleeting here in Delaware. I'm all about tomato soup and grilled cheese as far as comfort is concerned.
Oh, my word. I mean, can you imagine dipping that big, gooey grilled cheese in that creamy tomato soup? Yes. Oh, my word. And then get some rustic bread and dip it in that French onion soup.
Yes. And there's that charcuterie that I'm talking about, David. Look how big. That's a plate. You get 2 of those. So they're 12 inches long by 7 inches wide. So that truly is a great serving platter as well. And then we tucked in some of the crackers and things there. So whether you're doing hot, whether you're doing cold, I know we have like a little seafood bar there, again, with your cocktail sauce, all of those things that we're putting out there, whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, appetizers, or desserts, this is your go-to set for that instead of taking out all your dinnerware.
So many of us now are looking at these and appreciating an opportunity to bring this home at just the right time of year. Now, we've taken orders for over 3,000 of these gone now. If you want the slate blue in the woodland, only a couple hundred. Here is the gray in woodland, 5 dozen, and finally the taupe. Only 100 left. If you're after points, and we're last called in woodland. If you're after poinsettia, fewer than 100. Harvest, 2 dozen. I have 24 left in the harvest. In Old World now with the braided border. Here's black, eggplant, cranberry, red, gray, taupe, blue. The color that all started it all is the green. And the most popular is confetti, and getting limited now. Down below, we'll pick up with that beautiful floral lace in the blue. From there, we'll go to gray, then taupe, then red, cranberry. We're limited now on the cranberry. Here's green, eggplant, and finally the black. All of this coming together, Tara, at a time when it's easy to clean because these all go quickly into the dishwasher for quick and easy cleanup.
You're absolutely right. You have a breakfast down in front of you. So again, thinking about those parfaits that we're doing, whether you're making eggs and you just want to put it out on a table. Here, I know that Winter Whimsy sold out, and I don't want to brag on my gnome cupcake, but I am going to brag on my gnome cupcake, just saying. But you can do hot things in here like a beautiful cobbler as well, David. And by the way, there's something so wonderful about that presentation of being able to take that lid right
Tara,
off and dig right in. Yes, my love.
you're hanging with your nomies.
Oh, me and my nomies.
Hanging with the nomies. Hanging with the nomies. Yeah, you are. I'd like to take credit for that. That's a Life is Good shirt. I saw it. It had gnomes all over the front, and it said hanging with my nomies. Yeah. But I had to throw that in because it's very funny. Made me laugh out loud when I saw it. I might have bought it. Might have bought two. Different colors.
I was just going to say, you bought two.
I got different colors. Yeah, I did. But this is what it's all about. And look at this. Look at this sandwich. A lunch platter. Now, is this some kind of vegetable
It's
salad?
a Cobb salad. It's like a Cobb salad.
Cobb salad, and then a wrap. Okay.
And then a wrap, right? Something so simple. Even if you were just to get takeout, Chinese food that you wanted to reheat in here or you wanted to serve in here. I love it, again, for the salads, for the soups, the fact that you can do hot, you can do cold, everything goes in the dishwasher. It's the only lidded soup set that we have. And again, it's something that you wait for all year round, which is why we tried to bring in every color we could possibly think of in all of our patterns. And again, make it easy so that you're not taking down all of that dinnerware, but it's nice enough that you would layer it in with all the dinnerware that you've already been collecting.
Tara, we've sold out of woodland and the gray. Okay?
Very nice.
So let me update you real quickly in the other woodlands because I know they're going quickly. If you want the slate blue, fewer than 100. If you want the taupe, 5 dozen. I know that in seasonal we were getting limited. Poinsettia, 5 dozen, and harvest. Sold out. Harvest is gone. Got to wear your rubber sole shoes for this one. All right, here we go. Real quickly, I'm going to do this very quickly, Tony. Here's black, eggplant, cranberry, red, taupe, gray, blue, green, confetti most popular and now most limited in Old World. Down below in floral lace, I've got blue, gray, taupe, red, cranberry, green, eggplant, and black. Tara Tesher, are you back with me Wednesday, darling?
I am, but I also have an hour show leading into your show at 7 p.m. So hopefully you guys can all pop in and say hi while we share Temp-tations with you for a full hour. And then I will be with you at 8 p.m.
And we look forward to that, my darling. Have a great day, and thanks for being here
Same
today.
Here. Thanks, my friend.
Now, 4,500 have been ordered. Stay there, and we'll keep you all set and ready to go. Mary's going to update you on